How to register GCash account. So if you want to register your GCash account, then first you need to open up your GCash application. Make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Open up your GCash. Once you open, you just need to simply go with the mobile number or the country code. Tap on country code and choose the country code, and then enter the mobile number to get started. So enter the mobile number and then tap on next, and you will receive an OTP or one-time password on your mobile number. So you need to enter the OTP, and once you enter the OTP, you will be able to proceed. And once you enter the code, you just need to simply go with the next step, which is you need to scan your passport or any other ID. So you can simply scan your IDs, and once you scan your IDs and once the GCash accepts your ID, then on the third step you need to take a selfie to finish the verification. And once you clear the verification, you'll be able to register to GCash. So these are the steps for the registration GCash, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.